Over the last century, much has changed for Red Wing, but one thing is exactly the same: our commitment to delivering remarkable products, services, and experiences to energy customers worldwide. We've helped generations of workers perform their jobs safely and comfortably, from the North Sea in Asia to the Middle East and North America. Today, Red Wing is the preferred one-stop global resource for personal protective equipment, delivered through our complete head-to-toe PPE solutions. Our head-to-toe offering ranges from safety footwear and performance workwear to gloves, safety glasses, and more, including our exclusive FlashGuard fabric and new EN ISO line of safety footwear. All our products are tested to meet or exceed industry safety standards. But these products are only valuable if they are available. That's why our sales, manufacturing, and distribution facilities cover the world. Our distribution network spans more than 110 countries and includes partners who are trusted regional players. Supporting regional inventory and distribution relationships at the local level ensures prompt product access and personalized service. Local customization also helps to expedite delivery and maximize customer satisfaction. This experience comes together with personalized service before, during, and after the sale. From local product selection assistance to in-region support for faster response times, plus all the personal touches along the way that make working with us so easy. 4 strategically located global support centers are the foundation of our service, keeping us close to customers in the world's most active energy exploration and production markets. Each center features a combination of showrooms, customization facilities, warehouses, distribution facilities, and offices for local sales, service, and support teams. The end result is total vertical integration. With our singular combination of total body protection, product innovation, global reach, and full-service partnerships, Red Wing is ideally positioned to continue meeting the world's PPE needs well into the future.